He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the funniest, funniest Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Oh. Hello, little ones. I'm Harry the bunny. And I feel like wearing something special today. Maybe a new shirt. Oh. How about this one? Oh, yes. It's green. It has stars on it. This one looks good. Oh. Oh, I think it's a little too big. Maybe... Wait, no. Oh, this one. Oh, look at this one. It's red. It looks very nice. Oh, but it's so tiny. I think it's too small. Maybe... Too big, too small. Too big, too small. I really want to wear something special today. Hey! Now that one. That shirt I really like. It's blue. It has a carrot on it. My favourite! That's the one I really want to wear. Hey! Wait a second. That's me. I'm already wearing the shirt I like. I picked the right one. It really is special. Pick the right one, pick the right one, pick the right one. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.